So hi everyone and welcome to the Womble channel. So as of late I've been sidetracked by projects, some commercial and some personal, but effectively this meant that the 3Kto1M project has been put on hold. But I really want to get back to the core content of this channel and of course of that original project. So I tried to restart a little while ago, but priority shouts were made and content for this channel dropped off. There have been a few videos, mostly live recordings, but they've never really addressed the original project. So I intend to do a few videos on the exchange and trading software and keep that going, but now I want to get back into doing a weekly update on this project and start trading again. Now if you're not familiar with the project, the aim was to take around $3,000 or £3,000 and make 1 million in approximately 3 years. Each week I give an update on the profits made, or the losses, and the idea is to see if it's possible to achieve the project goal while suffering the ups and downs, the blood, the sweat and the tears, and you can follow me as I go through that journey. I'll be using Vulcan. Now, Vulcan's got a little bit of history, I suppose, but it's a technique I use for trading, for fund management to be more correct. So you'll be able to gauge its effectiveness as a trading tool and perhaps something that you'd like to copy going forward. So I guess the clock has started again. A few weeks ago, I put $3,000 into an exchange account and this week began trading on it. The issue I have is I should have really started this at the end of March and effectively have missed the starting point for my style of trading. But that said, who knows what's going to happen in the coming weeks, and perhaps the anticipated big crash will happen post the halving, and actually post the halving I'm not even sure that Vulcan will work, so it's going to be quite an interesting journey. But as before, the project will use other approaches to make profits each week. This includes passive income streams and daily trading techniques. I generally won't go into the details, but will try to report on them as best as I can. Also, as before, I also want to cover the highlights and lowlights of the trading week, not only from my personal trading activities, but wider across the market. So we'll take a look at the trading software, some charts, and any other exciting stuff I can think of, or of course, you guys let me know about. And as always, you can follow me on my Facebook channel, the 3Kto1M project. So with all that said, let's draw a line in the sand and look at where we are with the project. The target is to earn around 2% a week return on investment. So I started off with about $3,302. The project value this week ends at $3,267, which means we lost money. Well, that's not really shocking, is it, considering the price plunge this week, which is a bit of a shame. So we got an ROI this week of minus 1.07%. It's not that bad. It does mean, though, that we're behind, which makes the target for next week quite tough. We have to make over 3%. Deep press Womble, you can do this, it's fine. Just to note, ROI is not the same as any sales percentage you'll see on the bot. So it's ROI reporting on, not sales percentage per day or per week. So with the bad news that we've lost a couple of dollars, that's it for today. So please let me know what you think in the comments. And if you like these updates, please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking that little bell thing to get alerts when I release new updates. With that said, thank you very much for your time. And as I always say, onwards and upwards.